If you're heading to the Caribbean, don't assume you've packed everything you need. This is the Explorer, and after years of travel, I've learned that a few overlooked items can make or break your trip. Forgetting the right gear can turn paradise into a hassle. In this video, I'll reveal the essential items most travelers miss, plus a bonus tip at the end that could save you from a painful mishap. I've also partnered with Luxury Escapes for exclusive deals on top Caribbean resorts. Check the link below. Let's get you ready for a smooth, comfortable, and unforgettable adventure. Grab a notepad. Here are the 7 things you absolutely must pack for your next tropical escape. Let's dive in. Flip-flops might seem perfect for the Caribbean, but they're a rookie mistake. The islands are more than beaches. Think rocky shores, hot pavement, and cobblestone streets. Thin soles offer no support or protection, and one misstep can ruin your trip. Sturdy sandals with thick, puncture-resistant soles protect you from sharp coral, sea urchins, and scorching sand. Good grip and secure straps prevent slips on wet surfaces, crucial for pool decks, boats, and after rain. Look for sandals designed for light hiking or water activities. Brands like Keen, Teva, or Merrell are great. Adjustable straps, cushioned footbeds, and deep treads make all the difference. One quality pair can take you from the beach to dinner, from a boat trip to a stroll through town. Don't let sore feet or a preventable injury sideline your adventure. Treat your feet well. They're your main mode of transportation on vacation. Leave the flimsy flip-flops for the pool and pack sandals ready for real adventure. You'll see and do more when your feet are happy and protected. Invest in comfort and safety. It's the smartest step you can take. Your Caribbean experience will thank you. Ready to move on? Let's talk about protecting your skin. Next up, sunscreen. Caribbean sun is intense, don't underestimate it. For mature or sensitive skin, high SPF, broad-spectrum sunscreen is non-negotiable. Go for SPF 50 or higher and make sure it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply a full ounce, about a shot glass, at least 20 minutes before heading out. Reapply every 2 hours and after swimming or sweating. Don't forget easy-to-miss spots, tops of feet, ears, back of neck, and scalp. Spray sunscreens are handy, but always rub them in for even coverage. Mineral sunscreens. Zinc oxide. Titanium dioxide are great for sensitive skin. Chemical sunscreens work too. Just pick one you'll actually use. Water-resistant doesn't mean waterproof. Check the label for how long it lasts in water. Set a timer if you need to. Diligence prevents painful burns. Don't rely on last year's leftovers. Buy fresh, high-quality sunscreen. Pack a big bottle for your body and a stick for your face and lips. Protecting your skin means more comfort, fewer regrets, and better memories. Make sunscreen as essential as your passport. Up next, the hat that does what sunscreen can't. Let's keep you cool and covered. Ready for the next must-have? Here we go. Baseball caps don't cut it in the Caribbean. They leave your ears, neck, and sides of your face exposed to harsh UV rays. A wide-brimmed hat, at least 3 inches all around, creates a personal circle of shade. It protects your skin and keeps you cooler, reducing the risk of sunburn and heat exhaustion. Choose tightly woven, breathable materials with a UPF rating for maximum protection. A chin strap keeps your hat secure in windy conditions. Practical, not just stylish. Look for hats that are crushable or packable so they survive your suitcase. Don't worry about fashion. Locals and seasoned travelers wear them for a reason. Function beats style when it comes to health and comfort. Upgrade from a cap to a wide-brimmed hat and enjoy longer, safer days outdoors. Your ears and neck will thank you. Next, let's talk about staying healthy on the go. The right travel health kit is a game changer. Here's what to pack. Minor health issues can ruin a trip if you're unprepared. Always pack a personalized travel health kit for peace of mind. Bring pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen for headaches or aches. Motion sickness pills are a must for boat rides or winding roads. Antihistamines handle allergies and insect bites. Tiny pills, big relief. Pack all prescription meds in original bottles, plus a few extra days' supply. Keep a list of generic names in case you need a refill abroad. Add Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and antibiotic ointment for cuts and scrapes. These basics prevent small injuries from becoming big problems in a humid climate. And here's a teaser. A small bottle of white vinegar belongs in your kit. More on that soon. A few minutes of prep saves hours of stress. Handle the small stuff yourself and focus on enjoying your trip. Next, let's protect your most valuable device. Your phone needs its own travel armor. Here's how. Your phone is your camera, map, and lifeline. Don't let water, sand, or humidity destroy it. A waterproof phone pouch is a must for the Caribbean. These clear, sealable pouches let you use your phone, take photos, and keep it safe from the elements. Take your phone to the beach, on boat trips, or even snorkeling. No worries. Sand and water can't get in, so your device stays protected. Wear it around your neck for easy access and peace of mind. Capture underwater shots or coordinate with your group without risk. Tropical rainstorms? No problem. Your phone stays dry. These pouches cost less than $20 and can save you hundreds in repairs. Toss your phone in your bag, relax, and enjoy the moment. Don't let a preventable accident ruin your trip. Make a waterproof pouch a non-negotiable on your packing list. Next, let's beat the heat with a simple trick. Caribbean heat and humidity can be overwhelming. Don't let it slow you down. A cooling towel is your portable oasis. Just wet it, wring it, and snap it stays cool for hours. Drape it around your neck for instant relief during walks, tours, or beach days. Lightweight and compact, it fits in any day bag. For extra comfort, add a small portable fan, USB or battery-powered. These tools help you stay active and comfortable no matter how high the temperature climbs. Don't let the heat dictate your plans. Pack a cooling towel and enjoy every moment outdoors. Ready for the bonus tip? Here's the secret weapon for Caribbean first aid. Here's the bonus tip. Pack a small bottle of plain white vinegar. It's the best first aid for sea urchin and jellyfish stings, both common in the Caribbean. Stepping on a sea urchin? Vinegar neutralizes venom and helps dissolve tiny spines. Jellyfish sting? Vinegar deactivates stinging cells. Never use fresh water, which makes it worse. Soak or rinse the affected area with vinegar for quick relief, then remove any tentacles with tweezers. A travel-sized bottle is all you need. Cheap, light, and TSA friendly. You hope you never need it, but if you do, you'll be the hero of the day. Smart travelers prepare for the unexpected. Add vinegar to your kit. It's the best travel insurance for beachgoers. Ready for your best trip yet? Now you're ready. Make sure to pack these 7 essentials to elevate your Caribbean adventure. From sturdy sandals to white vinegar, these items prevent rookie mistakes and keep you comfortable. Share your must-haves or travel fails in the comments. We all learn together. If this helped, subscribe, and check out Luxury Escapes for exclusive resort deals. Packing smart is a mindset. Anticipate, prepare, and enjoy every moment. Take care of yourself so you can make the most of paradise. Thanks for watching. Safe travels and may your vacation be unforgettable. See you on the next adventure.